Welcome to ProVision, a customizable software system developed to deliver all inspection activities live for your turnaround and project needs. ProVision is an inspection software program utilized by the Pro-Surve turnaround division to provide all turnaround activity tracking in real time. This includes quick data upload for work scopes, live digital wall charts for your equipment, piping, and flanges, live equipment and piping logbooks, IWR logs, and final inspection reports. These updates are completed from the field utilizing an app-based program from your phone, tablets, or computers. This allows immediate live updates to the dashboard and wall charts from the bundle pad, shop inspection, and multiple units, with no work stoppage or delays due to logistics. These dashboards and wall charts track progress from blinding steps through execution to final reports being reviewed and accepted by supervision. Our web and app-based programs allow multiple access points with different levels of user rights. The easy-to-navigate login and display screen allows quick links to the information for our users. The inspection overall dashboard provides our users a quick multi-level breakdown of the current turnaround status. Here you see the breakdown of the inspection overall dashboard with a cumulative count of each task, an overall combined turnaround percentage, and a breakdown of each equipment type. The color legend breaks down your task to include not started, in progress, inspections complete, repairs, mechanical complete, and overall complete. The online access to the two live digital logbooks, one for equipment and one for piping and flanges, gives our users the breakdown of the daily tasks completed for each shift. The running logbooks display all inspection tasks completed and can be filtered for the previous shift. A multi-level filter system helps to find any specific equipment, task, component, status, or date. Each task is hyperlinked to the form for a quick reference to the inspection notes. The real-time digital wall charts provide users easy access to view the status from your computer or tablets, with filters, color coordination, and completion percentage. Additional tabs can be used for a quick breakdown of the visual and NDE task requirements with filter capabilities. The flange tracker allows real-time updates of the visual inspections, repairs, and final bolt-ups. The piping wall chart displays and tracks mechanical craft packages through the entire turnaround process. The live IWR log gives our users online access to view the repair recommendations as they are submitted, approved, or deferred, and final completion. The hyperlinks allow our users access to the IWR reports with photos and attachments from an office or meeting room to determine a path forward or a team review. The report library gives access to all final inspection reports, which can be viewed or exported. An executive summary is generated from all equipment reports for a final complete turnaround overview. We appreciate your time taken to view some of the ProVision activity status software capabilities. If you would like additional information or an in-person or online demonstration, please contact any one of our management team.